Starstreak E36, Maiden flight. Dang. Well, that moves out right quick like. Alright, Starstreak E36 on a 2S on a 2.5 second motor run. Let's see what this does. So, armed, and we go. Spectacular rollout. Yeah, that's just ridiculous. We'll wait till it gets back over this way and we'll DT it. There it is, and down we come. So, there we go. Alright, so we are set up for a 5-second motor run. So let's see how high this puts us. So, armed. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Popping around lift cores there. Very bouncy airplane. I don't know that there's any really strong lift that it's in. I mean, I wasn't trying to find lift, it's just, no, it's in lift, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, the thing does ridiculous flight times either way. Coming up on the max here. There it comes. So that was 2 minutes. That's some crazy altitude. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.